Today's wash day is a Cécred wash day, and I'm excited to try the new hair tools. We're just gonna be using the detangling brush today. It reminds me of the unbrush, but this is gonna be a full Cécred wash day. Shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, styling lotion. Like, we're gonna be Cécred down. You guys commented that you wanted to see how it works on my 4C hair, and I also just got a PR box from them. So this is not sponsored, but it was a PR box, and I have worked with them in the past, but this video is not sponsored. This is just my honest opinion and my honest wash day. It's just like my regular wash day videos, but with just Cécred, okay? So it doesn't need to be anything too serious, but yeah. Okay, let's wash her. This is about as emulsified as we're gonna get on the first wash. Honestly, my hair looks great. My hair feels really nice and light. Like, I don't know. Yes. Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. It just be that first wash. Your hair's all dirty. You can't really let the shampoo do its work for it. But this is what I'm talking about. We're not done with the scalp just yet. Guys, my hair is so knotty. I'm nervous. Since I'm scared, I'm just gonna add some more conditioner just because I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared as hell. Like, I'm scared. So I'm gonna do that for each section also. Okay. Let's finger detangle. I still feel like there's more hair. Like, there has to be, right? That was too easy. I like how easy it is to grab hair. Like, I feel like my other brushes, they're like so hard. This is so soft. Like I won't like stab myself. Tangle teaser. And I like the hook. I'm just gonna hook it right here. I'm still gonna finger detangle because, guys, my hair is like really knotted. But it makes sense. I meant to wash my hair like 5 days ago, and I didn't, and I just had my afro. It's just because I didn't detangle my hair when I re-moisturized it. Like, I just re-moisturized my hair without detangling it, so all the shed hairs were just like bundled up and like, hey. Just adding a little more product, and then I love when my hair curves. It's too easy. Am I cheating right now? Like, I feel like I'm cheating. I think it's been 10 days since I last washed my hair. Maybe even longer, so I'm just like, y'all, all the hair I'm seeing, I'm freaking out, honestly. I'm really liking this. Look at the perfect circle on my fingers. I love coils. Like, wow, that's so pretty and cute. I love it. My hair feels so good. I like adding water when I'm finger detangling too, just so I'm not ripping through my hair or anything, you know? I feel a knot somewhere, but I don't know where it's at. Oh, found it. baby. Sorry for the accent, guys. I just can't help it. But hello, we didn't have the deep conditioner yet, okay? Let's go sit under my hair dryer. We're back. I would use this first, but since it's a lotion and I'm assuming it's actually a lotion, then it's better to use a leave-in conditioner first and then use this to seal in that moisture. So it's called the moisture sealing lotion, so I just assume that's what its purpose is. But so I'm gonna go in with this Mizani first, and I'm almost out of this, but I love this leave-in. I kind of forgot how the texture of this feels like, so I'm just gonna go with this much. It's like more thick. I also have the oil, which says you can apply to dry or damp hair, so I'm gonna do it on damp hair. Ooh. We're done. Thank you so much for watching me wash my hair. Oh, I'm very excited to see how my hair feels after this, like low-key, like, because I've been using like mousses and like leave-in conditioners and mousse, but like without mousse, I wonder if my hair will feel more moisturized, so I'm excited. I'm gonna set under my hair to dry for like 15 minutes, let the rest air dry. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. See you next week. This kind of looks like a Dorito.